this video, we will explain the data being shown on the display screen, as well as the keypad configuration. For a filter control valve, the main display screen will show the current date and time, along with the number of days left before it performs its next regeneration, as well as the regeneration time, which is factory set for midnight, 12 a.m. The menu button, located in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, is used to help enter the basic setup information required at the time of installation. The Set button, located in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, accepts the values if changed and helps advance to the next page in the various menus. And the arrow up and down buttons are used to increase or decrease the value of the settings while in the various programming modes. In this video, we will show how to unlock the display screen. Press and hold the menu button for 5 seconds to unlock the screen. In this video, we will show how to program the current date and time. Press the menu button followed by the Set button to access the date and time. Use the arrow down or up buttons to change the day. Press the Set button to advance to the month, the Set button to advance to the year, the Set button to advance to the hour, the Set button to advance to the minutes, then the Set button followed by the menu key twice to advance back to the display screen. In this video, we will show how to activate a manual regeneration for a filter. Press the menu button followed by the arrow down button to highlight Manual Regen. Then press the Set button to give you the two choices. If you wish the unit to regenerate tonight, press the Set button followed by the menu button to back out. The factory setting for a filter to perform a regeneration is typically 12 a.m. If you wish the unit to regenerate immediately, press the Set button to access the two choices again, followed by the arrow up button to highlight Regen Now, followed by the Set button to initiate the regeneration. The first cycle that a filter will perform is the backwash cycle. Once the control valve arrives at the cycle, the time will start to count down to 0. Once it has completed its backwash cycle, it'll now advance to the rinse cycle, and once complete, it'll return the control valve back to the in-service position. The display screen will now show the next time the unit is due to regenerate. It also shows you the regeneration time of midnight. In this video, we will show how to enter the dealer information into the control valve. Press the arrow down button to highlight dealer information, followed by the Set button. You can turn this feature off by pressing the arrow down button. But for this case, press the arrow up button and then the Set button to enter the dealer info screen. This is where you can now enter your company name and contact information if you desire. Using the arrow up or down buttons, you can select the letters or numbers of your choice. Hit the Set button to lock it in. Once you have completed entering your information, press the menu button to back out, followed by the menu button, and then the menu button one last time. Then press the arrow down button and you'll see the data that you just entered. Press the arrow up button to revert back to the main diagnostic screen.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.